Sige, nasa back-end na ako.
Okay. So, now our topic is about backend of the WordPress backend. So once you log in here or you have logged in into your account, it's automatically you can click this button for WordPress backend login. So I'm going to press it. So now you are in backend of WordPress backend. So this is the dashboard for the intern. So it's different from the admin dashboard. So some menu here are not be seen by the intern. For example, the plugins, you cannot see the plugins here, and the settings
Yeah.
for the DV. We are using DV page builder, so you cannot see here. So the page builder you can use is you can use the WordPress or DB page builder. So our topic for today is how to make a page. Okay, page is the one that you see here. This is our first activity um, on making a template for your website or for your portfolio. Okay, going back. So you're going to click page. Okay. As you can see, I customize this one. Create your own folder if you may. You can create your own folder and name it your uh, name. Okay, why? Because uh, this one is universal, so once you make your own folder, I can see it here also on the media.
Okay.
Okay.
Under pages, folder.
Okay, so once you create your folder, that's the time you will make your page. So for example, I'm going to make my own page here. Okay, our first topic is about the home page, okay, or landing page. So for example, landing page. I will add a page, and then it will ask for title. For example, I'm going to make a Felix. Always put your name first. Landing page. Okay, Felix landing page. But if you're going to with your client, it should be home, about, direct uh, for the menu. Okay. So once I put this Felix landing page, I will publish it first. Okay, publish, and then publish. Okay, after I publish it, so I can see now my page by using right click here. So as you can see, it's blank. Only the name you can see on the top. Okay. So now I'm going to use the DV page builder. I'm going to click page builder here. So there's a three category here. Uh, if you'd like to build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout or clone existing page. So only these two you can uh, choose. Don't click here. Okay, it will affect some of my um, pages. So for easy explanation, so I'm going to choose this pre-made layout. So I'm going to click this one. But later on, you will go to um, from scratch. Okay, so after you practice this and um, familiarization first, okay, on how to change the image, make content, and everything. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this whiskey uh, template. Okay, I'm going to click this one. As you can see, there's a lot of page here. So this is should be the naming if you are with your client. Okay, so only no names, just only landing page. So no need to add your Felix. Yeah. But here in internship, you should put your name. Okay, so when I check your website, so I can see whose project or activity is that. Here,
Yes.
here. So you can choose here landing page and then home page. So what's the difference between landing page and then the home page? Okay, landing page is a one-stop shop. Is direct marketing strategy on landing page. So that's why it's landing page. Okay, so no need to click for home. But if the client needs to know about more on what you're selling, uh, is going to go to home. Okay, so I suggest for now, since our title is landing page, so I'm going to click landing page here. You can see. So on landing page, I'm going to use this layout, clicking it, and wait for until it's loaded in your page, the page that you made. Okay. So we will wait until it's load. The button here is one. Just in case, when you're in your page and it's not open, this purple here with three dots here. So just click it and it will open the menu bar. So this is for this one on the left side, wireframe view. What is wireframe view? So this is how it looks like at the back end. Okay, so this is the wireframe. As you remember our first activity in Figma, so this is how it's made. That's why my first activity in our community is about UX design. So this is how it is made. Okay, So from the header, there's a row and then the text. Okay. And then about. Actually, this header is the header of the landing page or the hero page. About, and then row, and then image. As you can see, one row, two column. Okay. Header, row, inside of row is just one column on the header. So if you translate it that on the UI, I'm going here, left side, and then desktop view. Okay, I'm going to click that desktop view. This is the header. Okay, this is the header. One row. This blue here, you can see on the line. This one. So this is the uh, container for the header. This is the container header. Okay. So I'm going back to the wireframe view. This is the header view. Okay, this section. So inside the container of the header, if you can see this light green here, this is the row. Okay, inside row there's a column which is um, one column, and the module is text. Okay, if I'm going to um, delete this one, I'm going to delete this one, for example. Deleting that, you can see a cross here to add new module for your column. Okay, so once I click this one, it will give you different types of module. For example, accordion, audio, blog, bar container, etc. So I'm going back to that text. For example, it's below here. So just click that, and you will have your text container, text column here. Okay, text module. So that's the time you will uh, change it, put a text on it. Okay, Felix. Okay, see that? Because this one is in paragraph, so highlight it and then put heading 1, so it will be turned into header. The design, it will just type here and it will appear here. But if you're going to format or design your text, go to design, and then don't go here on the text, because this is for paragraph. While this one, heading text, it will manipulate the H1 or the heading text only. So what I mean, so if I go here and I change it to color grid, it will not affect this one, because this one is heading 1. So the manipulation here or changes here, it affects only on a regular paragraph. Okay, so for example, I will enter, it will turn into paragraph. So the next line, it represent as paragraph. For this one is um, as you can see, when I'm typing, the output becomes green because my um, my text color here is green. Okay, once I turn it into red, it automatically turns into red. Okay, you can explore this one later once you're in your own page. Okay, so for example, I want to go back on the original one that I'm, because I'm not saving it first, so it will not save. So I can go back to the original. Okay, by clicking this undo. Oops. Okay, let's refresh this one. I'm going to refresh it, reload, restore. Oops. This one got an error. Okay, so we have a error here. So what we'll do is refresh it again, reload, don't restore. So what happened? It automatically erased because we haven't saved it yet. That's why it go back into a blank page. Okay, so I click this one, the browse layout, and then I click it again, and then go to landing page, and then use this layout. Wait until it's loaded. So once this one is loaded, automatically click save. So that's the purpose of save here. Okay, once I click this one, it will save now. Okay, so once it's saved, I'm going to refresh my page here and check if it's loaded. It's automatically loaded right here. So I have this page now for whiskey. Okay, so since it's saved now, I'm going to go back to my account, and let's see if it's already um, loaded on my account. Click and then paste and then go to community. Okay, so here I am with my account, and I'm going to check it if it's posted already. So why is it not posted on my activity? Okay, the reason it's not posted in your activity because you are just only inside your page. Okay, so once you save the activity that you made, press save, and then wait for it until it's saved, and then um, click this one to go back on your WordPress. Okay, Once you encounter this one, just erase this edit here and then delete and then leave the WP admin and then enter. So you're going to go back into your backend dashboard for WordPress. So once you're in backend WordPress, so now it's the time. Let's see my folder. Okay. Oh, wait, this one. Sorry. So as you can see, I can see Miss Lenny's page here. So just in case you see this one, making sure um, when you save your file, you save it in your folder. Okay, just in case this happen, okay, I'm going to click this one, quick edit. Okay, click this one, quick edit, and then click on what folder would you like to save. Okay, again, see this page. Okay, quick edit, and then save it into your folder. Then update. Once you click your folder, update. Okay. Miss JD and Miss Lenny, go to your page. Okay. Press the quick edit and then folders. Click your folder and then update. So it will go to your folder. Are you done, Miss JD and Miss Lenny?
Doing po.
Teka lang kuya.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll go back for it later. So if I want to post this one on my internship account, okay, I'm going to the post folder. Okay. On your post folder, okay, since I do have my own folder here, um, here on the post, I'm going to click and then so my folder is Felix. So I choose Felix again for the um, folder that I'm going to put. Okay. So for example, I have the new um, I want to post the landing page that I made, the activity for landing page. So I'm going to create a new post. This one will post directly on my account. So for example, I'm going to put landing page. I'm going to put my name first, Felix, landing page, or whatever activity uh, that we are doing. You put it here on the um, post page. Okay, so for example, Felix landing page, and then first I'm going to publish it. Okay, once I publish it, okay, if I want to view it, okay, to see my post, so it will go here. Okay, how will you know if you are in um, post page? You can see it here after the WP admin, the WordPress admin, and then post PHP. Okay, so you will know if you are on page or in post page. Okay, I'm going to edit this one. Edit with DB page builder. Okay, for example, this is my first activity. Okay, this one. I'm going to take a picture of it. Okay, print screen, and then I'm going to choose this one. Where is it? Now once I captured this one, capture it. For example, this is my first activity. I'm going to cut it here. For example, this one. This is my banner for my post, and then apply. Okay, and then I will download it, save as. So for example, I do have my community activity here. So I'm going to name it for my activity name, for example, landing page. Okay, landing page, save. Okay, once I save it, I'm going back to my um, so I think my let's see. So kind of confusing on my page. So because I use same name on the page, I'm going to change this one. Okay, go back. Okay, to my post. Okay, Felix. Okay, landing page. Okay. So what happened, this one become my uh, same as my landing page URL. So that's why it confused um, the post page and then the landing page. So what I will do, I will change this one into the slug. Okay, slug, it means your URL here. So what are you going to do is to change this one only for post landing page. Post, for example, post landing page. And then don't forget to categorize your work into template. So uncheck the uncategorized, and then what folder are you using, so click it here. So and then update, and I'm going to view it if it's still confused. So um, it's now clear and it's not going into my page that I made earlier. Okay, so because I'm using the post page, so as you can see now, there's no image inside my post page. So what I will do, I'm going back to my editor, and then I'm going to edit it, this one. Okay, as you can see, the one that I made from the landing page, okay, the landing page that I made, I took a screenshot, and then I save it into my folder. Okay, so that's the one that I'm going to put here in the feature page. Okay, feature page, this will appear on my um, Felix, and then select. You have to select which folder you're going to put your image, ha. Don't forget that, because it's going to my folder or on some other folder. So better if you're going to um, put some image, so put it in your folder. Do not leave on unassigned, so it will go publicly to your classmate. Okay. Select, wait, see that. So from time to time you check this one. So select, and then this one, the whiskey. Okay, open it, so it will appear here. Wait until it's load. When it's done, it will going to say here select. Okay, now it's done. Okay, and then going to set featured. Open normally. This one featured. This, and then set featured. Okay, I've set an image here, and then update. Don't forget to update. So as you can see, when you publish it, there's a time tracker here, the date and time. So all of your work will be recorded. Okay, so update. Now I'm going to check my post page. This one, I'm going to refresh it, and then it will appear now on my post page. Okay, so what happened is not clickable. Okay, So it's not clickable. How I'm going to share my work. Okay, this one, I'm go back again and then edit with DV page builder, or you can change the permalink here. Oh no, sorry. So you don't have to change the permalink here. So I'm going to edit this one. Okay. So now that's the time I'm going to use the start building with from scratch. So click this one and then put a link on it. Okay. So only one row, and then image. Use some image. Okay. Image. Bottom. Oh, this one, image. Okay, I'm going to use the module image. I'm going to insert it. And then I'm going to select again the whiskey here. My screenshot that I made. Then I upload it. And then to click the image, observe this one, guys. So I'm going to put the link of the page that I made. Okay. Down below the image module, there's a link here. The page that I made, I'm going to copy this one. Copy the URL. And then go back to the editor. And then put it here in image link URL. Okay, I'm going to paste it. And then, voila. This is clickable and this is the image only. So we can now delete this one once I okay this one, and then as you can see, it's closed again, the button here. So I have to open it and then click save. Okay, once I save it, if I want to terminate this image, okay, so I will go back to my um, WordPress editor. Okay, I'm going to remove now my um, featured image. Okay, so here, as you can see, the feature image, I'm going to remove feature image. Okay, and then update. Okay, once I update it and go to my um, post page, for example, or I'm going go back to my account to check for it. Okay, this is my account. I'm going to click my account, refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, it will not appear if you don't have the what you call the feature image. So there's no image, but there is a link. So I'm going to put back the image so I can see what template is that. Okay, so select and then um, select the whiskey again and then set featured image. Okay, and then update it, and then once it's done, I'm going to refresh my account, and that's it, guys. it's now featured in my post um, page. Okay, so if I'm going to click this one, there's a link. Okay, you can see two images. This one is just only the page banner, and this is the link for that. I'm going to click this one, and then it will open the page that I made. So if you have any questions, so you can PM me directly in our activity. This is just only a sample. You can start now doing some exercises or testing or practicing to be familiar with the controls for the um, DB page builder. Okay? Is there any question? You have any question, guys?
Ako po meron.
Okay, I'm going
Sorry po,
to
na-late po ako.
yeah,
Hindi
no.
nasundan.
Okay,
Hindi
no
ko
problem.
nasundan.
This is recorded video, so you we can I'm going to post it in our community or in our page. So you can review this one. Okay, I'm going to stop the
Thank you po.
recording. So